Okay, so maybe you're in a rut doing around 3 jobs a month, 5 jobs a month, and you're trying to reach a goal that you have in mind that's maybe 10, 15 jobs a month. Obviously, depending on the size, maybe you have a revenue goal. If you're stuck in a rut, understand that what you're doing is not working. Okay, you have to be open-minded to the fact that what you're doing is not working and accept the fact that I'm in a rut. I honestly accept that, and I'm honest with myself, and I understand that I'm in a rut, and there's nothing that will bring me out of it if I continue doing Thumbtack, or if I continue doing ads on Yelp, or waiting for whatever the outdated method that is that you use. Understand that you're in a rut. You need to get out. You need to get from point A to point B. Figure out a vehicle that will get you to point B. So come to terms that what you're doing is not working, and you need to make a change and find this vehicle that will take you to point B. When you're finding a vehicle, when you're finding the change that will take you to point B, you need to know that it works. You have to do some research around it. If you're gonna start marketing, sit down for a couple weeks and learn how to market or outsource it. And the change that you're going to be making has to be something that works. Obviously, you don't want to be wasting time in a new strategy that is, super new to you, and you come up with it, and it's a brand new idea that you think might work best for yourself. My point is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Okay, find something that's already working. Find a strategy that's already working. In this day and age, in 2024. There are so many strategies that will work for you specifically, for flooring specialists. Like for us at our agency, we specifically work with flooring companies. Like our strategy is tailored for flooring business owners, right? So find a strategy that works and has proven methods and actual stats and data and proof that it works, and use that strategy. Just take it, just steal that strategy. You don't need to reinvent the wheel and come up with a whole new idea for yourself, for your company, to get yourself from point A to point B. Find a strategy that works, implement it, actually work with it, and understand that, okay, these outdated methods, I need to throw them in the trash. I need to stop worrying about what my great grandfather told me to do, and use a new strategy for yourself that will work and bring your company out of this rut of 3 to 5 jobs a month and take you to 10 to 15 jobs a month. So just find what is working in your niche and in your business and dial that in as hard as you can, right? Input equals output. Right, however much you put in or however much you put out is however much you're gonna get in. Okay, so if you find a new strategy and you just let it sit and soak, and you're like, okay, this doesn't work, let me just go back to Thumbtack, whatever, I'll settle for 5 jobs a month. I'll settle for 3 jobs a month, and consistently. Find the new strategy that works. Know that it works. Talk to other flooring companies. If it's our strategy, DM me on Instagram and I'll send you proof. Okay, find a strategy that works and put as much effort and grind in this system so that you can get your business from point A to point B. You're not just gonna fly out. God's not just gonna grab your hand and pull you to point B, right? He will provide you with the boat. He'll provide you with the system. He'll guide you to find the system. This is turning into a preaching moment, but just find the system that will work, trust in it, and invest yourself and your time into the system so that you can get out of this rut, and in the end it will 100% be worth it. You're doing 10 jobs a month of your ideal jobs, right? As long as the system works good, is what I'm trying to say. As long as you know the system is proven and it has proof that it works and evidence, then invest your time into it so that you can get out of the rut and get to your point B, your goal. And obviously, if you don't have time to invest into this system, then just outsource. If you have the money, outsource it. It doesn't need to cost a lot. You could find agencies out here doing free marketing. You can find agencies out here doing free audits for your Instagrams or your Facebook, right? There's no excuse. You can just hunt for a system that works. Bring yourself to terms that you're stuck. You need to make a change, and trust in the process, right? Because for our system, it needs input in order to bring in results from our clients, right? For our clients, it's not completely done for you. We take over all the marketing and editing, everything on that nature. But in terms of building authority, is setting up your phone and recording what it is that you're doing. Pull out your phone and record what it is that you're doing. Record the job. If it's a satisfying job, film it. People love satisfaction, right? So there's a whole bunch of secrets and tricks and stuff like that for online creation and authority creation. You can check out my Instagram at noah.o.arnold, and I have a whole bunch of tips explaining what it is that you can post. Check out my YouTube. I have a whole bunch of value. Just giving it out for free so that you can grow your business to the point where you're at point B or you're at your goal, right? So the reason that I'm giving so much value out to you guys for free on YouTube and Instagram is so that you guys get to the point where we can work together, right? We're not working together right now, but I'm giving this free value out so that we can get you to the point where you're now a qualified client for us, so we can actually help you scale your business, right? That is our job, okay? But to get you to that portion is not what we do. That is what you can do for yourself, or you can hire someone lower to do that for yourself. But outsource if you don't have the time, and if you do have the time, put time into a new system that will get you from point A to point B. Okay, that is my point. If you have any questions on this, DM me on Instagram at noah.o.arnold. Anytime that you want to sit down with me one-on-one, I'll leave a link below in the description. Feel free to click that link and we can talk about out of the services that we offer, if any of them work for you at the moment. If not, we'll give you a free audit and really just show you what you can do in your business to change it and start growing to the point where we can work together in the future. But yeah, that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys implement some of the stuff that I say. Go through my past videos. Like I said, I'm just giving out free value for you guys. So check those out and I'll see you guys in the next video.